Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Python on your PC, whether it's been Windows or Mac OS. The procedure is quite similar, so you just need to follow this procedure and you are going to get it whether you're using Mac or Windows. So in this tutorial, after showing you how you can install Python, we are going to run a command to see whether Python has been installed successfully on our PC. So now let's open our browser here and then let's search Python just like this. And now let's move to the official website of Python. So let's search Python. Good. So we get the first website, python.organization.org. I mean the extension of the website. Now we scroll down to this part and then we move to the download section here. So if you are using a Mac OS, you tap on here. If you are using a Windows, you tap here as well. So I think when you are about to install this, you should check the specs of your PC to know everything about your PC and then get going. So this is the latest Python from the time I'm making this video. Good. So I think for the Mac OS users, you already have Python. I think Python 2 already installed on your laptops or PCs, but then I think you should download the latest one. So now my PC is 64-bit, so I tap on this to download the setup. So I have it downloaded here. This is the setup here. So if you are using Mac OS, to come here and then choose any that fits your PC spec and then download it. So after downloading, now let's move on with the installation here. So I double tap to open it. Good. So the installation process is here. So now let's install now here and let's wait for the libraries and the other stuff to export itself. So they are saying it's been successful. So now let's close it and now let's check whether Python has been installed on our PC successfully. Now let's check whether Python has been installed successfully on our PC. So to do this, we'll move to our command option. So let's tap Windows plus R and then cmd. Good. And now let's enter Python. With enter, so they are saying Python 3.13 has been installed and you can see. Good. So it's on it now, it's fully functioning. So that's it. So for the Mac OS 2, I think after passing through that procedure, you already have the latest Python installed on your Mac OS. So that's it on how you can install the latest Python on your Windows PC or laptop or your Mac laptop or PC. So if you are new here, kindly do well to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here too, I would say thank you for visiting me once again. So that's it for this video. Peace.